I don't know if it's much of a prediction, but it's a move I think is going to make it's going to have quite a bit of impact in 2026. In terms of my predictions, I think, we saw the first Sub-Saharan African fintech IPO down in South Africa this year, Optasia, and they went public at a $1.4 billion valuation. My prediction would be that we'll see another couple IPOs. I think once you break the seal, you kind of get rid of the taboo, and people start to have some track record that they can look at about how fintechs do on public markets on the continent. But beyond that, you have a benchmark, that starts to help folks do the comparable analysis that they need to do. So I think that's probably. I don't know how hot that take is, but I do think it'll age well, because really a lot of folks just really want liquidity. There's a lot of money coming onto the continent because, like I said, there's underlying growth, there's a growing population, there's innovation. That energy is here, but I think a lot of folks are worried about the risk of being able to pull out your capital when the time comes. So being able to use the public markets for liquidity is also going to be a game changer. And I think that ramps up in 2026.